How do we protect ourselves from coronavirus? There are several things to think about in protecting ourselves. One important fact is that people can be infected with the virus and not get sick, but still spread the virus to others. The most important way to protect ourselves is to stay far away from others, at least 2 meters, or 6 feet. This is because tiny droplets come out of our nose and mouth when we talk, and even when we just breathe. And when another person inhales these droplets, they will become infected if we have the coronavirus. Another important measure is to wear a mask or a scarf over our nose and mouth. This will help us inhale less of the droplets that contain the virus. Once the scarf or mask is wet, it's not useful anymore. Wearing sunglasses or glasses to protect our eyes from droplets is useful. We should wash our hands with soap and water or disinfect our hands with 70% alcohol before we put on our scarf or mask and after we take it off. This is because we might have the virus on our hands, so we don't want to touch our face as we put on the scarf. And when we take it off, there might be virus on the scarf that we don't want to spread with our hands. When our mask or scarf is moist or wet, we can place it in a dry spot where we don't touch it, and after a week, the virus that could be on it will be dead. Or we can wash it with plenty of detergent right away. Because we can be inhaling droplets containing the virus from another person, it's best not to go out where we might come close to someone else and inhale their droplets. If we are outside and 2 meters away from any other people at all times, and if we wear a scarf or mask, being outside can be good for us. But if we can't avoid being close to other people on the street, it's best to stay inside. To avoid introducing the virus into our eyes, nose, or mouth, we can try not to touch our face. We should avoid sharing food or drink. We should wash our hands frequently with soap and water. If we soap twice, we will be washing for the 20 seconds that are recommended. Soap and water is best, but hand sanitizer with 70% alcohol also works to some extent. We should try to avoid touching our eyes, nose, or mouth. We can stay away from places where others will cough or sneeze on us. To protect others from becoming infected with a virus we may have, a cold or flu virus, we should cough or sneeze into our elbow, not our hands. We should throw away used tissues right away. We should wash our hands a lot. Wearing a scarf or mask can protect other people to some extent from our droplets that we exhale as we talk or breathe. If we don't become infected, we don't spread the virus to those we love. Protecting ourselves is the best way to protect others. It feels strange, but right now, staying far away from someone is the best way to show we love them.